On this geoboard, I am going to create a rectangle using rubber bands. Now, for a shape to be a rectangle, it is essential that all four corners form a square, meaning they must have a 90-degree angle. As you can see, I am making these small squares at the corners to show the right angles. Let's check its dimensions. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units on both opposite sides, making them equal. Now, let's verify the width. It is 1, 2, 3 units on both sides, so the opposite sides are perfectly equal. Since all four corners form right angles and opposite sides are equal, this shape is a rectangle. Next, I will create a square. For a shape to be a square, it must also have right angles at all four corners. But the second crucial rule for a square is that all four of its sides must be exactly equal in length. Let's check the sides: 1, 2, 3 units. And from here, 1, 2, 3. Each side is exactly 3 units long. Since all four sides are equal and every corner forms a 90-degree angle, this shape is a square. You can see the small squares forming inside it as well. Now, we can call this square a rectangle. Because to be a rectangle, a shape only needs 90-degree angles at its corners, which this square has. However, we cannot call this rectangle a square. A square requires both 90-degree angles and all four sides to be equal. Since this rectangle only has equal opposite sides, it is not a square. Therefore, a square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot be a square.